In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trust badges to your Shopify product page. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Online Store. Click on that. This will open up the Themes section where you'll see a list of all the themes installed on your store. Your current live theme will appear at the very top. On that theme, click the button that allows you to edit the theme, which will open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look toward the top of the screen for the page selector. By default, this is usually set to home page. Click on this selector, and from the drop-down menu, choose Products, then select the default product template. This switches the preview on the right so you can see and edit your product page layout. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see the sections that make up your product page. Find the product information section under the template. It might simply be called Product Information or something similar. Click the small right-pointing arrow next to it to expand it. This will reveal the existing content blocks, along with an Add Block button. Click Add Block, then choose Icon with Text from the list of options. You can drag and drop this new block within the left panel to position it exactly where you want it to appear on the product page, such as just below the price or the Add to Cart button. Click on the icon with text block to open its editing options. Next to the icon setting, open the drop-down and pick an icon. For example, a heart icon. In the heading field, type Best Selling. Then add more icons within that same block if your theme allows multiple icons, or duplicate the block if needed. For the next icon, choose a return style icon and give it a heading like Easy Returns. For the last one, choose a truck icon with the heading Fast Shipping. These work as simple but effective trust badges. When you're done, click the back arrow at the top left of the left panel to return to the list of blocks. Click Add Block again, and this time choose Product Rating. Drag and drop it to where you'd like it to show. This block will display star ratings if you have a product, reviews, app, or rating set up. Click the back arrow again when finished. Next, scroll down in the left panel until you see the footer section and click it. In the footer settings, make sure to enable your social media icons, payment icons, and policy links. This ensures your customers can see your social profiles, the payment methods you accept, and links to important policies like shipping and returns. These all function as additional trust signals. Take a moment to look at the preview on the right side of the screen. Here, you'll see your new icon with text badges, your product rating section if it's active, and your trust elements in the footer. If everything looks good and you're happy with the layout, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Your product page will now display these trust badges and icons to help reassure customers and improve their shopping experience.